Joke lang. Hello, everyone. Sino kausap ko? Kakasabi lang eh. Oh my gosh. But welcome to The Ripple! Hi, everyone. I'm Sam. Nag-introduce talaga.
And I'm Nico.
And we're here.
Yes, we're here to talk to you.
To who?
To them. To Ben and Ben.
Gusto mo yun? Ang ganda ng intro namin. We're very professional.
Oh,
Thank you
that's
guys
so
for joining us.
1 week practice yun.
Oo.
Okay guys, let's all welcome our guests for today. Sam with 2 M's and Nico.
Mas maayos pa yung sa kanila.
Oo nga.
Oo. But thank you, Ben and Ben, for
Oh, grabe,
joining
thank you.
us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone.
Salamat sa pag-invite.
Thank
For
you.
having us.
Salamat at pinagkasya nyo kami. Ang dami namin, pero thank you for...
Of
Actually,
course.
itong set na to para magkasya kayo talaga.
Yeah.
Yun.
Salamat.
Yes. We moved for you.
Wow.
We feel very touched.
Balita ko sobrang successful daw ng The Ripple.
We traveled across
Ay.
dimensions
Yun.
para magkasya kayo.
Ay.
Ay, gusto niyo yun?
Pro.
Nagpapakita ng hosting skills si Nico dito, okay? This is his moment.
Thanks.
Ito yung moment niya. But
Pa-applause
how's everyone? Thanks for joining us. Kamusta naman kayong lahat?
Ay, son. Sige ka.
Okay naman.
Go,
We're
Agnes.
working on a new song kasi. Kaya ako tumiti sa kanila, baka ako na naman yung magbigay ng mga spoilers kasi that's me for the past years. But I wanna change, you know. I wanna
For the better.
It's good that you want to change.
Oo.
Yun. Step
Okay.
one.
One thing yung
one
first,
Tama.
step.
So, kahapon, in the past few days, meron kaming wino-work on na bagong kanta. At ano ba yung mga nangyayari sa atin?
Dami.
Dami.
Kakasibo lang natin.
Oo, galing kaming Cebu. Kumain kami ng
Lechon.
Yes.
Oo nga.
Pero ano ba, malamang decades na yung debate na yun. Ano ba yung pinakamasarap
Yes.
na
Oh,
lechon
I
sa
was going to
Pilipinas?
ask.
May siopaw na masarap.
Saan?
Ano ba? Wait lang! Lechon kasi.
Lechon yung
May siopaw na masarap.
Siopaw na lechon?
Hindi, siopaw lang siya na masarap.
Sa Cebu.
Hindi lechon yung laman niya.
Hindi, siopaw lang siya na masarap.
Random. What if
Oo.
siopaw pero imbes na bread yung labas?
Lechon.
Yung lechon.
Oh, tapos may asado sa loob.
Asado pa rin sa loob. Hindi, bread yung nasa loob.
Oh my...
Baliktad.
Brainstorming pala to.
Kung meron pong
Reverse siopaw.
makasagap nitong podcast na to, sana po gawin niyo yung idea na yun.
Yes.
Bali,
Oo,
ano
tas-
ulit? Siopaw?
Pahingi na lang po ng
Yung
royalty
nasa
per
labas.
piece na nabenta.
Tapos
Okay
bread
po.
yung nasa loob.
You heard it first here at The Ripple.
Yes.
Intro pala.
So ano siya?
Brainstorming pala to eh.
Outpost siya kasi baliktad.
Ay, ang galing.
Push.
Witty yun.
Professional talaga.
Yes.
Grabe.
Next.
Okay ba yun?
Joke lang. I'm happy nandito kayong lahat. Actually,
Oo nga.
happy kami na nandito kayong lahat. Nakwento ko kay Nico kanina na medyo parallel yung timeline ko with you guys. Kasi yung first ever mix guesting ninyo was like 2018, something like that. Yeah, I was there my first year then. So nakita ko kayo. So it's a nice like
Grabe.
full circle moment. And syempre we're not naman different people. Woo! Matured na in that span of time. At dahil mature na tayo, today we're gonna play a game.
Ito na yun.
Ayos ba? Very simple lang naman yung game natin for medyo icebreaker lang. Icebreaker?
Medyo.
Icebreaker.
Warm up. So we're gonna play 1 second of one of you guys' songs. Then paunahan lang kayo to
Uy.
guess what it is.
Game, okay.
So to just scream your name. Whoever wants to guess. Sino
Okay.
una? Okay, ready ba kayo?
Game?
G.
Poch! Ay,
Ay,
wala pa.
ready?
Oh, sige nga.
Anong song yun?
Walaan mo. Walaan mo.
Wild guess,
Wala
wild
yun.
guess.
Katang-isip.
Muntik na, hindi malayo.
Pwede din.
Muntik na malayo.
Close.
Muntik na lumapit.
Oo. Ready na.
Song number 1.
Oh,
No, man.
Oh! Okay, Pat.
Competitive.
Oh.
Paninindigan kita.
Yo.
Yay! Okay, so ganun yun na. Oo. Tama.
O, trial round lang daw.
Tra-
trial round.
Okay.
Trial ba yun? Trial ba yun?
Tignan nyo mamaya kahit di trial.
Ay,
Oh,
gusto ko
eto.
yun.
Laki na, ako yung nape-pressure, baka magkamali yung
Oo
pinda.
nga eh.
Ito yung next.
Miguel.
I said Poch!
Actually, sabi ni Miguel, op!
That's what he said.
Po. Yes po.
Honest.
Oh, sige na, si Poch na lang.
Oo, baka nickname niya yun. Ano ka ba?
Pagtingin.
Tama.
Pagtingin is correct.
Grabe, hinga pala yung unang note niya.
Pat!
Pat? Sino ba talaga?
Upuan! Ang hirap kasi ng Andrew. Pat na lang. Mabilisan.
Tama.
Ay,
Pero
Andrew
sa
po.
akin yung points nyo.
Oo, okay.
May gasto sa kanya yung points.
Share tayo.
Yun na yun, last mo na yun.
0.5. Yan na yun.
Last yun na yun.
happens
Nice.
when you...
Okay, nice.
Parang gusto feel ka na bitin sila.
Gusto pa nila.
Parang dapat 9 para may chance sila lahat manalo.
Hindi, baka ma-pressure sila. Last na, last.
Last round.
Sige,
Oh,
ako
last
na
one,
magde-decide ng next
Yung
song.
mahirap.
Yeah, medyo hard.
Hindi nyo kanta tong gagawin ko. Parang,
Mundo by Four of Spades.
Pat. Leaves.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, press pass.
Meron na siyang- may full point ka na.
Disqualified.
Kasi 0.5 plus 0.5
This is not
na yun.
following
Not
instructions.
following instructions.
Ang galing talaga. Galing
Nice
ni Pat.
one, Pan.
Congrats,
Teamwork.
Pat.
Isang point kami dyan.
2 points.
Teamwork, teamwork.
Congrats sa inyo.
Oo, tama. Congrats nga. Pero yun na nga, it's like I said, it's nice to see, yun nga, how all of us,
Yeah.
Nico included, have grown
Thanks.
Mature.
into the
Mature.
people that we
Conclusion,
are. Into the people that we are, tama. And yun nga, parang ang dami din ng milestones recently that you have been celebrating together. Congratulations, Pat and Agnes!
Thank you.
On the 10-year anniversary also
Yes.
and the wedding. How's everything, like, how was the wedding first of all? Kasi grabe din yung, I love weddings. Diba?
Short story, ikaw na lang.
Ay,
Long story kasi ako yun.
Hindi, ang saya kasi we were able to celebrate it with our family sa LA and with the band. And parang, kaya din namin ginawa yung last Feb 16 kasi a lot of our families and friends ito sa Manila din naman nakatan. So, parang siyang 2 weddings in a way. Masaya kasi parang may mga parts na we had a ceremony in LA tas parang yung party bigla sa Manila after a few months. So, party lang talaga yung pinunta ng mga tao. Saya. We enjoyed it. Ikaw, Pat, anong feeling mo? As a married person right now.
As a married woman.
Yes naman.
Weird. Well, hindi pa rin ako sanay. It feels like maraming nagbago pero at the same time marami ding hindi nagbago. Kasi like we've been living together for a really long time na. So akala ko na parang getting married wouldn't change much. Pero meron pala siyang emotional. Meron siyang psychological and emotional difference. Parang ganun. Di ko alam parang posible parang, I mean, mayroon siya explain. Pero pakiramdam ko meron akong kaming na-unlock na parang deeper level sa relationship namin na akala namin na dahil 10 years na kami, parang wala nang mas lalalim pa dun.
So, kumbaga, in terms of lifestyle, wala naman masyado nagbago. Pero there's something about it that's
Different.
completely
Yes.
different.
Same but different.
Yes,
Oh.
parang nag-open yung world
Yes.
lalo.
But they saying a marriage changes you somewhat. I'm assuming.
Yung half na lang
Oo,
band.
actually.
Medyo.
Yeah, exactly. So it's nice na you get to celebrate yung mga milestones na yun together. I mean, I can imagine super fun then because I mean, especially for you guys because you were a couple in the band mismo. So how was like the party of the wedding, diba? Parang sobrang saya. I can imagine also.
Chill lang yun. Wala masyadong ganap.
Okay lang. Okay lang siya.
Hindi mo nang nalala.
Exactly! Yun na talaga yun.
Then, saya kasi DIY wedding yan eh.
Isa sa mga favorite part ko talaga yung...
Sampulan mo, Andrew.
Yan.
Yung favorite part ko yung performance ni Tony.
Uy, favorite part ko din yun.
Then, sa doon eh.
Kumanta kasi siya ng isang napaka...
Favorite
Ano?
song ni Pat.
Sobrang
Nakapagbagdamdam. Sige,
Nakapagdamdaming
Nakapagpabagabag.
performance ng Stick With You by Pussycat Dolls.
Yes.
We love that.
Grabe.
Parang may
Tsaka-
sample ka.
Sample dapat, feeling ko.
Ay, doon sa Instagram nila.
Huwag nang ulitin, no?
Inutusan!
Okay na yung nangyari na.
Yung mga share ko lang yung mga pinsan ko after nung performance nila, sabi nila sa akin, yung mga pinsan ko mga taga-States, I didn't know a Pussycat Doll could sound so good.
Pussycat doll ka na ngayon!
Ikaw pala yung bagong member ng Pussycat Dolls. Tony.
Oo.
Ano, Pussycat Toll.
Yun yung growth na sinasabi natin. No?
Maturity, growth.
In the 6 years, no? Since we first met. Oo, yun talaga yun. Oo. Yun yung growth.
So much growth.
I'm
Ang ganda
so
nun.
happy to be a witness.
Pussycat Toll.
Oo. To that.
Ang ganda nun.
Of course, you know, it's nice to see, yun nga, a celebration of love. Especially with you guys, kasi yun nga, a lot of your songs also, you talk about different aspects of love also, right? And to be able to celebrate love of different kinds, even within your relationships with each other and your own personal lives.
And have other people celebrate their own loves using your music.
Mm-mm.
How does that feel? And how did that come into place, syempre, when you were starting?
Nakaka-proud siya. I mean, I feel proud as a member of this group that we are able to make songs that show love in such a safe manner, in such a stable example na parang it gives people something to kind of aspire and feel like, this is the kind of love that I want. To help people realize that they deserve more, that they're deserving no matter what. Na magiging spirit na ang pagmamahal na
Pipiliin ka.
yung pipiliin ka araw-araw. But it's so true, you know. Like, after being married for 4 years, at the core of it is really that it's a choice that you make every day. And for people to have that as a mantra of sorts, to look for love that lasts and is renewed every single day, is really the kind of love that, you know, makes you feel like home.
Alam mo, kakaiba din yung pakiramdam nung pagsusulat at pag-arrange at pag-produce nung ganong mga kanta. Kasi, kunyari, take araw-araw, for example. Yung line na pipiliin ka araw-araw. Nung nirelease namin yun, before we have matured and grown,
Di pa po yung prefrontal cortex.
Frontal lobe, yes.
Meron naman na.
Meron, pero hindi pa siya fully developed.
Di pa.
Parang we were, like early 22, 23. Kung isipin mo nung time na yun, parang, ano bang alam mo sa commitment, di ba? And like now, 8 years and we're still singing the song. We still continue to learn so much about the themes of the songs we've written so many years back. And minsan nga para siyang challenge eh. Kasi kung nasabi mo siya 8 years ago, parang kaya mo ba siyang gawin even until today? Like, even kaming mga nag-produce ng music na yon, na-experience namin siya in our lives. And I feel like when we hear stories of people going through these experiences, nakakatawa yun eh. Kasi minsan may mag-share sa amin na, alam mo, kanta namin yun ng ex ko eh. Tapos di na ako naniniwala dyan kasi nag-break kami. Tapos sabi niya, pipiliin niya ako araw-araw. Tapos naging sa susunod na habang buhay na lang. Tapos biglang meron din naman na parang, ngayon may bago na akong pag-aalayan ng song. So parang iba-iba talaga yung story ng mga tao. At I guess, ang saya lang din maging, in a way, audience kami nun eh. Kumbaga kung may audience yung mga music namin. We are also an audience of people's stories, I think. And we always love hearing about the different kinds of nuances of how people experience love and heartbreak. Yun lang.
Actually, that's true. If you read yung mga comment section ng
Yeah.
music video nila, it's ang daming
grabe.
mga kwento.
Diary
Yung
entries.
best part ng
Anonymous
watching a Ben
diary.
and Ben music video is reading the comments after.
Parang ano eh. Yung parang kung nababasa mo
Hindi,
to,
honestly.
tapos yung talagang magsasabi sila ng hindi nila nasasabi.
Saka nobela talaga.
Kahit kanino. Masaya din kaming, actually, kahit nasa iba, baka nakakatawa din yun. Kasi parang, bayan, dito ako nag-diary, ganun.
Yeah.
Sa amin, naaliw din kami pag nagbabasa kami. Pero at the same time, minsan kasi kung isipin mo, baka kaya sila nagko-comment sa comment section. Wala na sila ibang masabihin.
Yeah.
Nun. Tas, alam mo yun, doon na lang nila na-express.
And
So,
it's nice na parang having the response of people beyond numbers, beyond number of streams, beyond number of
Parang
posts.
may
Na parang
Yeah.
Oh.
parang in verbatim na nababato nila sa yung reaction nila about the song.
Yeah, and also kasi, di ba minsan, the internet is not always a safe space
Yeah.
Oh,
for
it's-
people. And to have them to choose you guys as a safe space na parang dun sila mag-share, dun sila magko-comment, I think is a testament.
And knowing na they've built a community na safe space din for other people na nakikinig sa kanila. Na parang, kunyari, kung ako mag-comment ako sa sa isang video nila, sa isang post nila, isipin ko hindi man ako mababash dito, hindi ako ma-judge dito kasi lahat ng tao nandito, pare-pares kami ng sentiments, pare-pares kami ng kung gaano kami ka-open about that whole song.
So ano yung comment yung nilagay mo doon, Nico?
Baka na-comment na siya actually, no?
Hindi ako yung nagbabash. Hindi.
I believe him.
Yung comment ko doon ay, hindi, lahat ng songs sila, alam niyo ba yung Leaves, yung pinaka kakampi ko post-pandemic nung mga nakakabalik ako kasi inabot ako ng pandemic sa school. So even before, that was like the time na nagsa-start ako into music, tapos medyo struggle yung that whole balancing of school and music and sports. So parang yung everyday music ko papunta school Leaves, siya yung comfort song ko.
Wow.
Ayan, yun yung kinoment ko dun. Pero dito ko
More
nakilunan.
pa, expound.
Gets. May mga ganong song talaga. Salamat. May gets no, kasi pag may song, pag may song kang parang naka-find ka ng comfort. Like, ganun din akong songs na everyday ko siya pinapakinggan for a certain period of time.
Ano ba mga comfort song nyo?
Oh.
Yung pandemic song mo din, alam namin lahat yun eh.
Hindi, yung...
Ayaw.
Hindi, may song kasi, it's a very old song, si Carole King. She has a song, So Far Away.
Oh, I love that
Tapos
song.
literal parang, kasi nga magkakasama kami sa bahay ng pandemic. Siguro mga 10 times a day ko siya pinaplay. Tapos naririnig nilang lahat. So, yun lang.
Yung comfort song ni Pat nung pandemic, yung basketball.
I can explain.
Why?
Please do.
Please do.
Actually.
Oo, I would love to know.
Kasi nakikita ng mga tao sa Discord yung piniplay mo sa Spotify.
Yeah!
Hindi niya alam yun nung una sabi,
Explain
ate,
ako.
ba't po kayo
Saglit lang. Saglit lang. Wait, guys.
Wait
give
lang
me
daw.
a chance.
Love niya yung basketball.
Yes, as a very blessed in, high type of person.
Actually,
very.
Love for
Sobrang
the game.
nag-aspire kasi ako mag-basketball.
Go
Hindi, joke
Sabrina.
lang. No, yung actual story niyan kasi is, nung kaka-move in lang namin sa pandemic house namin ng band, may basketball court na maliit. Tapos every time talaga may maririnig ka na lang na bug, 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 bug. Kasi yung quick, parang ganun mismo yung sound nung, ano yun? Yung ring ba?
Luma na
Yung
kasi
board.
yun.
Yung
Basta,
ring yun.
Pag naman yung ring nagbabounce sa string.
May
Oo.
nakahang na, ng room namin. Nakakabit
girls'
yung
room.
wire papunta doon sa board ng ring. So every time may shoot, gagawin yung bintana.
Kaya nagkaroon ng
alarm
policy. Ano yung ginawa? May ginawa kayong... Walang basketball before 10 a.m.
House rule.
May rule pala na ganyan.
Hindi mo alam. Hindi ka daw kasi gising before 10 a.m.
Yes.
Hindi, siya nga yung
Ikaw yun!
basketball ng 8 a.m.
8
pa lang.
a.m.
Ano na eh.
Wow.
Alarm namin.
At least parang bird.
Oo.
May birds tweeting outside your window.
Hindi eh. Ang tinis eh.
Ay.
Anyway.
And I like that experience drove you to listen to basketball.
Very inspiring
Oo,
kasi yun
eh.
eh.
Acceptance
Yun
na lang.
eh, oo.
Ang inspiring kaya nun, basketball.
Ang sarap-sarap pag
O,
grabe.
diba?
Yun yung song na pag pina-fill in the blanks mo sa kahit sinong Pinoy kaya nilang i-fill in the blanks.
Yes. Dapat yun pala yung
Ang luwag
pinaano
ng-
natin
Oo.
kanina.
Diba?
Sige, kay Andrew. Kay Andrew mo, kay Nico.
Fun
Hindi,
fact.
on a serious note,
Oh.
talking
Group ng
about
Pilipinas
that whole
yung-
pandemic house thing and yung music na nagawa niya doon, paano na-affect nung that whole being together for, is that a year? More than?
2
More than.
2
Yeah,
years.
more than.
Grabe.
Oo.
I think nung time na yun, ang naging effect nung being together and also may sinabi si Andrew na sobrang ganda eh, kasi kahit nasa loob ka ng bahay, parang ang lawak din nung pananaw nung nakikita mo kahit na hindi ka gumagalaw. Kasi nakikita mo lahat. Alam mo yun, of course, yung availability of information and then your thoughts and opinions on a lot of things. So I think that album turned out to be a deeply reflective and also marami siyang social commentary, I feel. Lalo na doon sa tatlong song doon sa gitna, which is yung Lunod, Sabel, tsaka Kapangyarihan. And ano siya, it was a different time. Also, yung way namin ng pag-produce, sobrang DIY talaga. As in, nag-move in sa amin temporarily si Sam Marquez ng One Click Straight and of course yung producer namin for a long time, and nung time na yun si JP Verona. And then we all made music na talagang DIY sa bahay lang. And we're still very proud of that album. Kasi it symbolized yung music namin nung pandemic.
For people in the pandemic, it's easy to produce in your home studio, in your bedroom. Pag konti lang kayo. Pero for a band this big, considering you have instruments na hindi basta-basta marirecord ng
Totoo.
kung san-san lang, ang galing na nakapag-produce kayo ng ganun good sounding album.
Hirap na.
Naalala ko yung sabi kasi yung hindi basta-basta na record. Yung may mga specific time na pwede lang mag-record kasi maingay yung tricycle. Or may mga aso.
Usually ganon. Kahit mga interview, like, yung mga manok, yung ganon. Oo.
Tsaka yung pag bumabagyo, yung
ay umuulan, cancel na po yung vocals for
vocal
today.
recording for today.
What a time! Oh my God. Grabe. I think what that time in our life really forced us to do is also kind of evolve din di ba? Kasi, and adapt, which is the human way, quote-unquote, of everything. And pati yung music ninyo, di ba? Parang nag-adapt talaga. And from there, parang a lot of changes then have happened to your music. And how does it feel now that we're looking back at this, where you first started 8 years ago, tapos nandito na kayo ngayon? Did you foresee na you guys would end up in this kind of space of creating music and this kind of music?
Ako kasi personally, hirap ako mag-imagine ng future. So, at that time, parang alam ko lang, basta kasama ko tong mga to. G. And it's amazing to see, then looking back, lahat ng mga napagdaanan and lahat ng mga na-achieve namin. And syempre, lahat din ng hirap. Great memes.
Great memes. Great memes.
Memes.
MEMZ.
MEMZ.
Yes.
One thing then, like, looking back now, I always cherish the moments na we were really also just in the moment, nung time na yun. And I think, mas lumalim rin yung friendships namin. Both not just in the house, but honestly, like, moving around from flying from here to there, within the Philippines or outside, parang, kumbaga, for example, top of my head, like, alam ko, yung pagod na feel ko is napapagod na feel niya rin. So, it's those small things na you don't talk about, but how we respond to it together as a band is just, for me, it's remarkable rin how we also adapt, basically, sa mga bagay na yun. And a lot has changed, because also, you have to remember na, yes, we're 9, but we're all we have our own individual lives, no? And every day, they're like waves that they crash together, di ba? Parang, ibang influence ng mga interests, from beliefs to new type of food na you want to introduce, or like a movie. Lahat yan nangyari, like both in the house and outside. And so what can you get from that? You get this really interesting soup of lives mashed together into this creamy yet madami food.
Melting pot.
Wait, but what I'm trying to say is like, ang saya lang for me, like, to really witness all these things. Like, there's so many flavors that I get to get from everyone. And I always look back na, wow, what a memory.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang, naamoy ko pa yung mga ganitong bagay nung ginawa natin ito. Nag-away or nagsigawan or nagsigawan ng, kasi masaya tayo sa mga ganong bagay.
Tama. Soup. Sabi mo soup.
Soup.
Sopas because time flies so
Sopas. Exactly.
Matagal na namin yung mantra.
Mantra namin yan.
Sopas.
So, time flies. Sopas.
Classic mantra yan.
Lalagay ko yun sa journal ko today.
Gusto namin ng food business someday na sopas.
Sopas.
Why not?
Time flies.
Dapat
Sopas.
mabilis yung service.
Sobra.
Tsaka may langaw din kasi time flies.
Flies.
To anybody listening, bawal na po yun gawin. Sa kanila na po yun, that idea. Oo. Trademark.
Business idea.
But would you say na parang throughout all of that, yung synergy na nabuo nyo within that time na nasa pandemic, tapos yun nga, sabi mo, you guys realize na you're one but also so different from each other. How did that shape you guys in terms of, kasi obviously after that you were more nag-experiment na kayo sa music nyo, and in terms of like being OPM artists and how that is connected to the genre you're doing and the sound you're making? How did that all go?
Yung new music that we create now will never ever erase the old music that we created. And the same way that as 30-year-olds, we'll never be 22 again, we'll never be 21 again, 25, 0.
So,
So we parang there's comfort in knowing that we don't have to chase wanting to be
That's good.
what we were. And it gives us room to focus on who we are and what we can become pa rin. And it's freeing, I feel like. Because when you spend so much energy in fear of no longer being able to be what you were, it kind of limits a lot of what more there is to be.